Welcome to the Scholars Learning classes. In the previous video, we've studied about the digestion in human beings and the digestion in plant-eating or grass-eating animals. You find any difficulty, do write your views in the comment box so that we can help you out. In this video, we will be studying about feeding and digestion in amoeba. Now see, amoeba, it is a single cell organism. It is made up of single cell. Now this is how the amoebas are, right? Now these are nucleus. This is how amoeba looks like. Now see, your amoeba is a microscopic single cell organism. Now you cannot see amoeba from your naked eyes. You need microscope to see the amoeba, as these are the single cell organism. These are found in pond water. Now amoeba has a cell membrane, a rounded dense nucleus and many small bubbles like vacuoles in its cytoplasm. Now amoeba continuously changes its shape. If it is like this, after some time you will see it is like this. Then after some time you will see it's like this. So amoeba keeps on changing its shape. Now this is how the amoeba looks like, right? They have this round structure known as the nucleus. And then see what happens. This is a food particle. Let's say this is an insect or a food particle or a prey, you can say. Now what does this amoeba does? It engulfs this tiny particle of food by throwing its false feet. Now it is expanding itself to the food particle. Now this wall is known as your pseudopodia around it, around the food particle. After that, these pseudopodia join together. Now this is amoeba. Now what happens? This is the food particle and this is the pseudopodia. After some time, what happens? As they will spread the false feet around this insect or a prey, the pseudopodia walls will join together, and in this way this amoeba will engulf this food particle inside it. Now the pseudopodia joins together to form a small cavity known as food vacuole. Now when the pseudopodias are joining itself, it becomes a food vacuole. Now the food inside the vacuole is digested by, now this food vacuole secretes digestive juices. It secretes digestive juices. Now the food particle inside this food vacuole gets digested by these digestive juices, which is secreted by this food vacuole. Now it is absorbed and assimilated here to provide energy and perform other function. Now see, digestive juices are secreted into the food vacuoles. They act on the food and it breaks down food into the simpler substances. Now the digested food is absorbed by the amoeba in order to grow, maintain and for the multiplication. And the undigested food residue is expelled out by this vacuole. Now this food vacuole only expel the undigested food. Right, now this is how the amoeba eats or feed itself and digests its food with these walls, that is pseudopodia, and then these walls join together to form the food vacuole. After that, this food vacuole secretes the digestive juices which digest the food and breaks the food into the simpler substances which is absorbed by the amoeba, and the undigested residue of the food is expelled out by the vacuole. Now this was the feeding and digestion in amoeba. I hope you have understood this. If not, do write it us in the comment box. I am here to help you. I want you to understand this completely, and do download our Scholars Learning app.